from 399 to 899 pesos for unlimited Chinese eats in Caloocan. There's a new spot waiting for your taste buds to explore. If you're a big fan of Chinese cuisine, welcome to Binondo Paradise by Chef A budget-friendly Chinese buffet restaurant inspired by the flavors of Binondo. Located at 103 Grace Park East, 9th Street, South Caloocan, near the Caloocan City Hall. This spot is quickly becoming a go-to for food lovers and authentic eats. Binondo Paradise offers multiple packages to cater to different tastes, cravings, and budgets. And it is the place where all your Binondo favorites are in one place. They have 4 buffet packages that start at 399 pesos per head. The Carvajal Package, perfect for lovers of noodles. It comes with unlimited braised beef noodles, perfectly paired with unlimited dimsum buns plus 2 premium dimsum of your choice. Next up is the 599 pesos per head Escolta Package, a satisfying package offering an unlimited buffet, a Dimsum Bun Selection, and 2 premium dimsum choices to satisfy your cravings. And for a more filling meal, the 799 pesos per head Ongpin Package is a good choice with unlimited premium dimsum, unlimited buffet, noodles, and drinks. For a full Chinese cuisine experience, we opted for the 899 pesos Binondo Package, which includes unlimited premium dimsum, buffet, noodles, roastings, and drinks. Let's start with the premium dimsum baskets and satisfy your cravings with tasty, juicy pork siomai, Japanese siomai, shark fin dumplings, bean curd roll, steamed spare ribs, steamed chicken feet, pork wonton, pork and shrimp siomai, xiaolongbao, hakaw and kuchay dumplings. Alongside are freshly steamed soft buns, including pork asado siopaw, bola-bola siopaw, chocolate lava bun, and custard lava bun. It is traditionally paired with hot yamcha or dimsum tea for the complete dimsum feast experience. Unlimited servings of green tea delighted us throughout the meal. The buffet comes with the flavorful noodles chow mein, stir-fry vegetable with XO sauce, Szechuan squid, fried chicken with black pepper, pork spare ribs, sweet and sour pork, beef ampalaya, Chinese kikiam, fried shark fin, and spring rolls, paired well with steamed rice and egg fried rice, complemented by a hearty braised soup. If you have allergies, feel free to ask the staff for ingredient details for a safe dining experience. The chef at the Noodle station can make you a savory braised beef noodle soup with pork wontons in a minute. It is comforting and filling with rich, flavorful broth, perfect for any day And last but not least is the main attraction of the Binondo package, the roasting feast. We start with a few slices of Peking duck, Hainanese chicken, pork asado, lechon Macau, and roasted chicken. All taste so good and satisfying. You will definitely ask for seconds. And you will never go wrong if you do it with a glass of refreshing, cooling cucumber juice that enhances your overall experience. But wait, there's more. You have to save some space and finish strong with desserts. Crispy buchi, pandan snowballs, fruit cocktail, buttery flaky egg tart, and the refreshing mango sago with pomelo. Guaranteed sweet endings to your meal. Please note that drinks are only included in the Binondo and Ongpin packages. Additionally, for graduates of 2026, Binondo Paradise offers exclusive promos where graduates eat for free with their 10+1 or 5+1 promos. Birthday celebrants can feast for free with their 10+1 or 4+1 promos. Other enticing deals are the summer and big group promos. If you plan your next get-together at Binondo Paradise, you can avail of their private room with a minimum of 18 facts and maximum of 30. Ideal for small family bonding, reunions, and catch-ups. They gladly accept walk-ins, but it's better to book a reservation early to secure a table and prevent long lines during peak hours. You can message them at 0956 365 2848. Binondo Paradise is an all-day dining restaurant. It is open daily from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday, and from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday, with a 2-hour dining time limit. So if you are looking for a Chinese restaurant in Caloocan with an all-you-can-eat dimsum, noodles, buffet, roast, and more, check out Binondo Paradise by Chef A. This might be your next food trip hotspot. Packed with flavor and value. Please like, share, and subscribe for more food trips around Metro Manila. We'll see you at the next one. Thank you for watching.